come also from the side of the Slovenian embassy. I hope you like Slovenian wine and beer. You may taste it here, I hope, before the tournament in South Africa and during the tournament, because we will have this pub as a kind of headquarter of Slovenian fans here in London. On behalf of us, like to thank the national team for what they have achieved. This proves that Slovenes are really a sportive nation. If you want to know more about Slovenia such and about tourism, we have an embassy very close to Westminster Palace, and you're all very welcome to come. Thank you.
Hello. Also a big hello from Slovenian Tourist Board. Really, it's a big pleasure and also a lot of emotion presenting here Slovenia. It's not a lot of experience, but we can say that for your holidays and from all the holidays from the UK market, Slovenia is a destination where you can beat and also beat all your expectations. So bet on Slovenia for the holidays, and for sure it's no risk on this betting. So there are the selling points of tour operator and flights where you can buy the special package for Slovenia, buy till 10th of June, and of course experiencing these holidays and wish luck to that Slovenia go forward. And this is meaning also at the end, if we would like really to a little bit use the patience of English people to make some bets, also of course sport bets, and like everyone, also I when land this morning in London, I already bet on Slovenia.
The football World Cup is not something that happens every day, but of course it happens only 4 years, and now is our opportunity. I'm delighted to be the president of the Slovenian Football Association, and even more, I was immensely proud when our team qualified to World Cup. In my opinion, the cooperation between sports and tourism is very important to the country. This is why I'm here today, to express all my support to the Slovenian Tourist Board and their campaign, in which we can give thousands of British people free holidays in our beautiful, really beautiful country.
I know that a lot of you are interested in, is possible to Slovenia beat England in World Cup? This is one question. We can try. We can try to make something biggest. And I hope that in this case a lot of our fans ride to South Africa. And I hope that in another side, a lot of English fans come to Slovenia. Thank you.
It's a destination we've been long associated with. As you know, it's a fabulous country. We've heard some great speakers say a lot of good things about Slovenia today, and it's very much true. This promotion itself, we think, it's a really great brainwave. The Slovenes are good and optimistic about their chances in the World Cup, and it was great for us to be on board with it, really. It'd be difficult for me to say without statistics on hand, but we'd love all of our destinations to be growing, and Slovenia just as much as anywhere else. Like we say, it really is, an undiscovered gem that people would probably not credit it for being as good as it is. And yeah, just anything we can do to get a bit more of a press for Slovenia to the British market is welcomed. Absolutely, as you say, the edge of the Alps there, some of the skiing there is great, and it's just a beautiful place to spend the summers, in Lake Bled and Lake Bokin, Kranjska Gora. It's a great destination all year round.
Well, I hope it's going to be a really big thing for Slovenia. Obviously, we're involved because we sell holidays to Slovenia. It's a great destination. We got involved with Slovenia because our concept is doing more, and in Slovenia you can do everything, whether that's activities in the mountains, down on the beach, on the coast, or doing the spas that they offer. So we're hoping that it'll be a good thing for everybody, and the more people that get out there and discover Slovenia, the better. Well, I certainly hope so. I'm not a big football fan myself. However, I do think that the majority of the people in England watch the football. They will be interested, especially when Slovenia are playing England, and I think the more promotion we can put around that, the better for everybody. But tourism, I think they'll do well in tourism this year. I was out there a couple of weeks ago. I've been a regular visitor to Slovenia for the last few years, and I think it's going from strength to strength.
For a start, it's a great, it's a unique opportunity that we don't get every year to promote Slovenia in this way. With the England match coming up at the World Cup, Slovenia is going to be front and back page headlines, particularly when England win, of course. You know, it's a great way to get across the message about the country and what it's got to offer. Without doubt, Slovenia's got everything that the UK market is looking for. It's got fantastic hotels out there, fantastic food, lots of excursions, fantastic scenery. Plus, it's got easy access with Adria Airways, flights from London and Manchester. Very easy to get to the country, and it's only a short 2-hour flight. Well, you know, there is another team that I think has an outside chance as well as Slovenia.
Thank you very much.